Cheap. I'll just say, I'll admit it, cheap. I bought this. It looks like it's already been opened by somebody else anyway. Someone who bought it for whatever purpose, used it and then took it back. Maybe, I don't know. So this is WYW24166 digital wireless rear view system. I think I paid like 80 bucks, maybe 70 bucks, I don't know, somewhere there and abouts. We're going to make this a mobile setup because I need to use it between two vehicles occasionally that don't have a wireless setup or a backup camera. So what I am going to do is power my camera with a 12-volt battery, and if I need to charge it, I can just charge it, because how often do you back up into a trailer? Now obviously if you're backing up into a trailer on a regular basis and you're looking to do something like this, you can permanently install it. They force you out of the gate to cut the cut the wiring, and I guess I'll need to find a razor blade. Guess I wasn't sharp enough. There we go. And the idea is you're supposed to lock it into your reverse positive wire on your I got George Groff of Coatings and all types and driveways. So let's see what George wants. So that comes on, and then let's see how far that baby works without. I didn't see. Did I see the antenna in here? There's the antenna. And you probably need to split that out a little more, but and that should be on. Should be. And is. Oh yeah, it is. It's on. I don't even need the and pull the little decal off of there. Probably could have left it on there, but as you can see, it's gonna do what I needed to do. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I guess you can turn on, that. And I'll probably have to figure out something for swapping it between plates or whatever. I really just need to, yeah. My final thoughts about this, I think, or what I'm going to do is order another bar magnet, just because it is a little bit heavy, but at least this will allow me to go ahead and swap between vehicles fairly easily. Yeah. And then I'll use a little Gorilla Glue on the back of those, and I can use this 12-volt battery till it is no longer charged, or charge it however I need to charge it. And then I can see what I need to see back there when I'm trying to back up, and hit the trailer dead on every time, or whatever else I'm trying to back into. But like I said, I don't need to drive down the highway with it. I just need it for backing up. And the bracket in my opinion isn't very well thought out. I guess if you flip this around, it's all right, but here it just gets in the way. So I guess there's a sensor on here maybe for nighttime. Yep. So that'll work. That'll do. All right. An actual test with it. So yeah, you can see the ball just fine, and that's primarily what I wanted it for, was to see the ball. You can turn that on and off. I'm not sure what these buttons do. I guess it's a brightness. I'm sure there's a bunch of other settings there. I really don't care about parking space. I'm just tired of getting out and trying to hit the ball every time. I'm backing up here. Painted Skyway. Oh no, went forward, went backwards too much. There's a mounting bracket for this as well. Didn't realize there was that much play on my transmission. So how about the brake? Does the brake doesn't work either? about 6 inches of travel in there. Oh, now it wants to. I'm telling you. Well, close enough. That's interesting. But, that'll do. And then I can just pull it off and unplug it, wrap it up, and do with it as I do with most stuff, and throw it in a drawer somewhere. Or in this case, we'll just toss it in the back and hope I don't break it. Yep, okay.